Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have more spring cards for you, so let's get started. So this card I have created with a new die cut sheet by Handmade. And on this card I used some pretty background paper, my new French fan die by Anna Griffin, and then of course this pretty embellishment that has a sealed letter, roses, and a bird. I used a blue card blank. I always add some white paper into my darker color card blanks so I have a clean place to write my message. But check out this beautiful die cut sheet. It comes in a line called Flowers with a Twist by Yvonne Creations. And as you know by now, these die cut sheets have 3 embellishments. So here is the embellishment that I have used on my card. This is embellishment number 2, has a beautiful shopper bag, high heels, a little coin purse, flowers of course, and then another one down here with flowers, a handbag, and more high heels and birds. The next card I have created with that same sheet is this gatefold card, and I used a red card blank because first I thought maybe this could be a Valentine's Day card, but then I decided to make it a happy birthday card. So gatefold cards are easily created. You just use different score lines so that it folds in the middle. And I printed out this medallion. Actually, that's I punched it out. That's a punch to give a clean background for my busy embellishment. But I also used a couple of paper strips and finished it off with glitter borders and a happy birthday sticker. But isn't that stunning? I love the colors. And then my third card, I again used the fan die by Anna Griffin. Background paper, this one here is a green card blank. The embellishment, of course, stickles on all of my cards. And then this sentiment here, friends make the world a better place, comes from a paper pack from Studio Light that I will introduce, I will leave in my next video. So stay tuned for that. There are lots of different sayings as well as beautiful card toppers. So that's coming up. But a couple of butterflies finish off this pretty card. So I love these colors, and in this very same line by Yvonne's Creations, we have a second die cut sheet that has teacups all stacked up. We have a teapot, teacups, and a luscious cupcake with roses. And then the third one is a board with tea cups and a teapot and some jelly, looks like. So how pretty is that? And then there is indeed a third one, and look at this one. This has a Volkswagen bug all flowered out. This is a really flower power cute little embellishment. We also have the bicycle with all kinds of flowers and baskets, and then this cute scooter here in pink. So these are the new die cut sheets by Yvonne's Creations, and these make these cute cards. And then I have this new card paper pack. It's called by Dress My Craft, and it's called Sweet Treats, a 6x6 collection pack, 24 papers and 12 designs, 2 sheets per design, and they're 240 GSM. So these are really heavy duty papers. And look how pretty they are. I mean, this is just so super adorable. It's got a script, it's got this muted background, this beautiful flower pieces. So we got 2. Look at this, with balloons. We got a striped background. Oh, I love this one with the suitcases. vintage shabby chic, but kind of cutesy too. Okay, then we have something to tone down our cards. Oh, I can see beautiful tags with those. Yeah, I think this is a very pretty card pack. Oh, look at the bowls with the flowers. Looks like a lot of balloons. Okay, we have a patisserie here. And flowers, flowers, flowers. So for those of you that love roses and flowers, I think this paper pack you would probably love. Look at the balloons. So very, very pretty. Ooh. And this all over cupcake design. Wow. That's just stunning. Very nice. And then some cut aparts. So you have something to add to your cards and tags and envelopes. Or the inside, I like to sometimes also decorate the inside of my cards. So again, this is Dress My Craft, and I thought this color-wise fits into this color theme we had today. And here are my cards again. This is what I have for you today. You will definitely gonna see cards. I'm gonna use this paper pack soon because I love these papers. So you're gonna see some projects coming up. But for today, this is all I have for you. I hope you like my cards and products. If so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. And also join us on Facebook, and the information is in the info box below. Thank you so much. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.